Hello, my name is Jeff Nelson, the Technical Sales Manager with Bug-O Systems in Canonsburg, PA. Thanks for joining us as we go through the setup of the DC4 Max and explain its benefits. The DC4 Max is an optimized system that provides a turnkey solution for off-table, plasma, beveling, and cutting. The DC4 Max was specifically designed to work with the Hypertherm PowerMax series and Max Pro 200 plasma cutting and gouging systems families. Typically, off-table bevels or cuts are done with oxy-fuel. The result can be a slow cut with excessive scrap, resulting in inaccurate bevels. It is also nearly impossible to have repeatable cuts with accuracy. As we work through the setup, we will point out the features that allow the DC4 Max to deliver an easy and accurate setup, fast cut speeds, with a result that has minimal or no distortion to the workpiece. Let's get started setting up the system. We start by placing the rail on the piece of material that we are cutting. To deliver repeatable and accurate cuts and bevels, it is essential that the rail be aligned correctly. To place the rail correctly, we will be using the torch alignment guide. The guide allows you to easily set the rail the same distance from the edge on every workpiece where you want the cut. We are ready to place the tractor on the rail. After we place the tractor on the rail, we want to engage the pinion into the rack to lock the drive in place by rotating the clutch until the gear meshes with the rack. Now we can adjust the torch for the cut that is needed. To adjust the torch to make the best cut possible, we have two adjustments to work with: the calibrated angle marks on the racking group and the torch alignment index on our alignment tool. The inscribed angle indications on the racking group allow you to set the bevel and the lead lag angle on the cutting torch. We also include the torch alignment guide for beveling to give you the best parameters for your cut or bevel. The torch alignment guide also has a calibrated half circle or standoff gauge. This gauge is used to set the correct torch standoff when setting the torch at the desired beveling angle. The result is the system gives us the same reference point, cut after cut, for repeatability and accuracy. The included process charts in the back of the field service bulletin are used to set up the entire system. This includes mounting the torch at the desired angle, the desired standoff, and edge offset on the plate. The field service bulletin also provides information to set the pierce delay, travel speeds, plasma power source amperage, and the types of consumables needed. The charts are designed to be used for producing V-bevel cuts at 22.5, 37.5, and 45 degrees on metal thicknesses ranging from 1/4 to 1 3/4 inches. The torch holder has a class-exclusive torch breakaway with auto process stop. If something hits the torch during process operation, it breaks away and stops the cut. This not only protects the equipment and improves workplace safety, but also eliminates the possibility of scrapped material due to a faulty cut. The integration of the DC4 Max tractor with the Hypertherm PowerMax and Max Pro plasma power sources provides seamless operation. The system features One Start. One Start is our new one-button control for the start of the tractor and the plasma power source. After your torch is properly set, just press one button and you're working. No need to activate both. It also comes with integrated start delay for the tractor travel. This provides time for the plasma arc to fully pierce the material before tractor travel begins. The system senses the transfer of the plasma arc to the material being cut and prevents the tractor from falsely starting if the cutting arc is not present. The system also has our exclusive PSC feature. PSC stands for Process Stop Control and increases efficiency and safety. When the cut is done, the entire process stops automatically. No time or motion is wasted. This feature is helpful when you're doing a job that requires repeatable cuts on the same material. When the cut ends, PSC stops the process, allowing you to adjust the torch and bevel for the next cut. The DC4 Max comes with a digital speed display. This precise control of the cutting speed allows you to tailor the cut to the real world and make sure the results are optimized. A pendant control can be added to the system as an option. During operation, the pendant allows the operator to remotely start and stop operation and adjust the travel speed as needed. The pendant control also creates a very comfortable work environment for the operator by allowing them to be away from the sound and smoke created during cutting. The results you receive by applying this integrated solution are many. You get more work done. The quality of the work improves. The operator works in a better and safer environment. Material handling is minimized, and you get increased flexibility in the work environment. Let's take a look at the system in operation and the end results. After all, the results are what matter. We are going to make a cut, then adjust the torch for a second cut. We are cutting a piece of steel 48 by 60 by 3/4 inches thick. We will perform a square cut, removing a piece 1 inch wide, and also bevel cuts at 22.5 and 45 degrees. As you can see, the resulting cuts are clean and accurate. When not in use, a protective carrying case is available to store and guard the tool between uses. The DC-4 Max can be converted to work with oxy-fuel if your job requires that cutting process. Thank you for spending time with us to learn about the DC-4 Max. For more information, visit our website at www.buggo.com.